for the kid.
What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful natural looking kinky twist crochet hair video for you guys. Right now I'm just going ahead and showing y'all the braiding pattern. She said she wanted a side part, so I went ahead and I did some small little braids on the side. This is where the part is going to be, and then I just went ahead and put all the braids going back. She is also able to put the hair up because I also did some braids in the back going up. That way the hair can be pulled up and it would look really good and not like, you know, your typical bulky crochet type of hair. Yeah, so this is the hair that I'm using. This is Freetress braid kinky twist hair. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and crochet the hair in. If you're interested in a more detailed video on how to crochet, I have lots of other crochet video. I'm going to leave links in the description below. But for right now, go ahead and enjoy this video, watch it till the end, and let me know if you like this hairstyle. I really love how it turned out. She didn't want it to be too bulky, so I didn't do it too bulky. This whole entire hairstyle took 3 packs of hair. I'll show you how it looks with 2 packs of hair, and then I'll add the 3rd pack and you'll see the whole, well, pretty much the whole process. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up in advance. Bye.
For the kid.
Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me. Else came in on me, love gave in on me. But in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know, I know, I know. I am champion, I am champion. Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm alive, alive, alive.
Okay, so I'm just coming back in to explain this part. This was only 2 packs of hair, so I just went ahead and used all the 2 packs of hair in her hair, and then I'll go in afterwards and fill like right here, and I'll fill like other areas where I'm seeing like little gaps and stuff. I'll fill that afterwards, but this is all that is remaining to fill, and yeah, that's what we're looking like so far.
Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool,